Hi guys, today I'm talking to you about the 5 items every girl needs to have in her wardrobe. And when I say items, I mean tops specifically. I'm talking about t-shirts, shirts, jackets, whether or not you have other items in your wardrobe, because of course variety is the spice of life. So you can have more than this, but these are items that I think you should have if you want to have a very versatile wardrobe that you can pair with practically anything and still look fantastic. So if you want to know what my staples are, then please keep watching. The first item that every girl should have and probably already has is a basic white t-shirt. It can be plain, it can be printed, it can even be a white collared shirt, a white top, just anything white. You can pair it with any colored jeans as well, whether it is a light colored one or even black or denim jeans. It works great for those days when you rack your brains and can't find anything to wear. Just pick a white tee, wear it with anything below, and it looks fantastic. The second piece of clothing you need in your wardrobe is a nude or beige t-shirt, top, a dressy one, or even a formal shirt. Because like white, beige is another color that goes with a lot of different outfits and colors. It goes with your dark colors as well as your light ones, because neutral colors look great with any other item in your wardrobe, so you really don't have to think about it. You can just blindly pick something and it will still look great. Now, because I recommended a white t-shirt to you, you're probably thinking I'm gonna recommend a black shirt. But I would say go for a grey one. It can be either a medium toned grey or a deep grey, because I feel like black is a little dated. If you are somebody who loves black, then go for it. But I feel like a deep charcoal grey is a much more fresh take on things. It looks great just as a black top would, but grey looks even better. It looks like you really thought your whole outfit out. It goes with a denim jacket, a white jacket, even a black one if you want to pair it with, say, a black leather jacket. I feel like grey is the new black. If you want recommendations, I would really suggest going to Levi's. They have a beautiful collection. The fourth staple you need is a basic denim jacket or a denim shirt, because a jacket is something that you will have to pair with something else, whereas a denim shirt you can wear on its own or wear it over a t-shirt or a shirt. A denim jacket is popular all year round, whether it's summer, in the winter, in the autumn when it's windy. So go ahead and get something that's nice and snug and comfortable, because a denim jacket never goes out of fashion. Even if you don't see it in the circuit for a bit, it will come back. It always does. The final piece of clothing that I think you need to have is a beige or a white jacket. This one I picked up from Mango. It's a tweed jacket. It's quite thick, but you can buy one that's lightweight. It just depends on how warm you feel or how cold. I'm personally a person who feels quite cold all the time when it's a little chilly out, so I prefer something a little warmer. You could be wearing something extremely casual, ripped jeans even, and a t-shirt, and you could just wear this white jacket on, and it just gives such a polished, chic look. But you could also keep it quite formal if you wanted to, and just pair it with trousers, a shirt, and then this jacket over. So these are 5 items that I think are super basic and every girl needs to have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have more ideas for me, keep them coming in the comments below, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys!